So I'm also working out a layout for my little T60 display. I think I'll have some, boxes and stowage here. I think this little thing will look good, so I'll paint that up. The actual T60 itself is coming up nice. That isn't stuck in yet. I'll just put a little bit of dirt on it, so I've just got to dirty it now. And I've got a figure ready, so one of the tankers. I think I'll put him in front, so that'll give me an excuse to have the front open, so he's getting the tank ready for operations. And I've got another figure that I'll use. So for the second tanker, I'll use this guy. So I'll finish him up, and I reckon I'll put that guy on the footpath here, so they'll be sort of looking at each other, and then he'll be the boss, saying, is the tank ready for action? We're off. So it's a nice little cool base. I'll add a little bit more mud, and I'll put some washes and stuff on this and make this right, the light. And of course, paint up the boxes. But yeah, I reckon that setup will be all right. Nice and filled up. Or I could order a Russian peasant woman or something from China, but I don't think I need to. I think that should be fine like that, because it is a bit empty if you don't have anything there. I reckon you just need to have something just to fill that last little gap. Anyway, that's just what's going on. I've got a few things I work on at the same time. Keeps your mind active. And it helps you respect dry times as well. Because that's the thing, you get the layers upon layers upon layers. You really need to respect the dry times. All right, I'll speak to you again.